Where does the zebra fit in the animal kingdom? Zebras are from Africa. They're covered with black and white stripes, just like pianos. Did you know every zebra has a different pattern? It keeps them from being bitten by flies. They look just like horses. Can you see the difference? And like horses, mummy zebras are called mares, daddy zebras are called stallions, and baby zebras are called foals. Zebras eat fruit, leaves, grass, and roots. And they graze in a big group called a herd. Zebra herds roam on large grassy plains. They can run very fast. Can you say zebra? Zebra. Zebra. Well done. Elephants. What is something that all elephants have? That's right. It's a trunk. But what exactly is an elephant's trunk? It's a very long nose, so it's great for smelling, just like your nose. But it's many other things for an elephant. It's a trumpet, or a snorkel, or even a straw for drinking. It's an arm to hug other elephants, or a supporting hand in case someone gets stuck in the mud. Some baby elephants even suck their trunks like a thumb. So what else makes elephants special? They're very big, the largest animal on land, in fact. If an elephant stood next to you, it would be roughly 3 times taller. So they need to eat lots of vegetation every day and drink lots of water, more than 200 liters to be exact. They also have large, thin ears that they use to cool themselves down, and big tusks to help dig for water, or used to scrape bark from trees. That's yummy food for an elephant. Elephants are very friendly to each other too. The females and young stick together in a big family herd. In the wild, elephants live for a really long time. But they always have wrinkles. Wouldn't it be great to see elephants in the wild? Leopards. Sleek and powerful leopards are wonderful big cats. Leopards are wild animals that live in Africa and parts of Asia. They have cream and gold fur with black spots. Their spots make great camouflage for hiding in trees and sneaking up on prey. Leopards' tails are almost as long as their bodies. Their tails help with balance and are great for quick turns. Whoosh! Leopards are the smallest of the 4 big cats, which include lions, tigers, and jaguars. But they're much bigger than a regular house cat. Like the other big cats, they have a great roar. Roar! Leopards can do many things. They can run fast, they're great swimmers and climbers, and they're the best jumpers. During the day, leopards like to rest. High in a tree, or on a warm rock. And at night, they're awake. This makes them a nocturnal animal. Leopards also prefer to be alone. They spend most of their life without any friends. Poor lonely leopard. Lions. You may have heard lions are the kings of the jungle. Well, actually, lions don't live in the jungle at all. Lions roam on grassy plains and woodlands in Africa and Asia. They are the second biggest of the big cats. Only tigers are slightly larger. Unlike other big cats, lions live in large social groups called prides. Female lions are called lionesses. There are lots of lionesses in a pride. Male lions are very large and easy to spot. They have a big, distinctive, hairy mane. Baby lions are called cubs. Lions are predators, which means they hunt and eat other animals. This makes them carnivores because they eat meat. Lionesses are much better at hunting than male lions. They do most of the hunting for the pride. After a successful hunt, the lions sit around enjoying their meal together. The lioness fiercely protects her food. I hope you have more manners at the dinner table. After a big meal, there's nothing better than a loud roar. Can you roar like a lion? Wow, what a great roar! Giraffes. Giraffes always have the best view. Tall necks and long skinny legs. Giraffes tower above all their friends. Their large bulging eyes give them great all-round vision too. Giraffes' bodies are covered with wonderful orangey-brown spots. This works as great camouflage. They still have to be very careful when drinking though. That's when they are most vulnerable to attack from other animals, like lions. Being so tall means they can eat from the tallest trees. Giraffes love to munch down thorny acacia trees. Luckily, their purple tongues are tough and covered in strong, bristly hair to protect them from the sharp thorns. Naughty male giraffes sometimes fight over girls. They do this by hitting their necks together. Their long necks crash into each other. Would you like to see how tall a giraffe is in real life? Yes, that would be impressive. Rhinos. Big, strong rhinos have long horns on their noses. They are the second largest land mammal. Only elephants are bigger. Did you know? Rhino is short for rhinoceros. And the word rhinoceros means nose horn. Rhinos live in groups called a crash or herd in Africa and Asia. What would you think a tough-looking rhino might eat? Wildebeest, maybe? No. Rhinos are herbivores, which means they graze on grass and small vegetation. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Can you see their thick, wrinkly skin? It's so thick, it acts to protect them. Young rhinos, or calves, are very cute. They also have small horns and love to jump around. Would you like to see a wild rhino? Me too. We'll all have to do our best to look after them. Meerkats. Meerkats are small, squirrel-sized critters that come from the mongoose family. Cute, furry little meerkats have pointy brown noses, stripy backs, a long, thin tail to help with standing, and dark brown patches around their binocular vision eyes. Meerkats forage for a variety of food each day. Scratching around in the sand, they look for insects like beetles, spiders, and scorpions, or small reptiles, birds, eggs, and fruit. Living in large family groups of up to 40, called mobs or gangs, they have amazing teamwork. While the mob forages, some of the meerkats, called sentries, keep a lookout for the others. They stand tall while their heads dart around, searching for predators. The sentries let out a loud squeal if they see something, and everyone runs to the safety of the burrow. Meerkat burrows contain lots of entrances, tunnels, and rooms. Inside the burrow, babysitters take turns looking after young meerkats called pups. Meerkats use the large, curved claws on their fingers to dig their elaborate homes. Did you know meerkats worked so well together as a team? I bet you can do the same with your family and friends. Hippos. Large, barrel-shaped hippos with stubby legs can be found in Africa. Hippos' bodies are mainly hairless, apart from some scratchy whiskers on their noses. They are the third largest land mammal, behind elephants and rhinos, that is. The name hippo is short for hippopotamus, which means river horse. This is because hippos love to spend lots of time splashing about in water. Here's one, keeping her head cool. Don't forget to breathe. These hungry hippos are munching on some yummy river plants. Munch, munch, munch. Hippos are herbivores. That means they eat lots of plants and graze on grass when on land. Wow, that was a big yawn. Hippos have huge mouths. Open wide, Mr. Hippo. Look, we can see the impressive front teeth. The male uses these to fight. Did you know a male hippo is called a bull? A female is called a cow. And a baby hippo is called a calf. While hippos might look cuddly, they can be dangerous. So be careful. And they can run faster than a human. I didn't expect that. What other animals would you like to learn about next? Let us know in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe.